In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attendance tracker in Google Sheets in just 3 minutes. If you've ever struggled with keeping track of attendance, this guide will help you streamline that process with clear, easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open a new Google Sheet. You can do this simply by going to Google Drive, clicking on New, and then selecting Google Sheets. Once you have the sheet open in front of you, we'll start by preparing the space where your attendance records will go. Next, we want to highlight a range of cells where you'll input your data and checkboxes. Click and drag from cell B2 all the way over to F16. This area will contain your attendance data and the checkboxes we'll add shortly. Highlighting these cells helps you apply changes uniformly, a useful time saver when managing your attendance records. Now that you have your cells selected, we need to add checkboxes for marking attendance. Go to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Checkbox. Instantly, each of those highlighted cells will turn into a checkbox, ready for you to check off attendance for each day or session. With your checkboxes in place, we'll move to cell G2. This cell will contain a formula to automatically count the number of checked boxes in each row, which is essentially the count of attendees. Click on G2 and type in the formula County EF B2 F2 True. This formula checks each cell in the row from B2 to F2 and counts how many of these have been marked true, or in simpler terms, checked. Once that formula is in place, press the Enter key. Your Google Sheet will now execute the formula, and you'll see the attendance count appear in G2, reflecting how many sessions have been marked present in that row. To make this easier for subsequent rows, use Google Sheets' autofill feature. Click again on the cell G2 that now holds your formula and find the small blue square at the bottom right corner. Click and drag this blue square down along column G as far as you need, applying the same formula to count attendance in each corresponding row automatically. Finally, start interacting with your new attendance tracker by clicking the checkboxes. Each time you click a box in the B2 to F2 range, the corresponding number in column G will update automatically. This makes tracking attendance a breeze, letting you easily see at a glance how many check-ins have been completed. And there you have it. You've created a functional attendance tracker in Google Sheets right before your eyes. This tool should help you stay on top of attendance without the hassle, leaving you more time to focus on other tasks. Happy tracking!